Hello students, today we are going to start our English 4th lesson. The name of the lesson is Helping and Sharing. So, let us get set to read this lesson number 4, Helping and Sharing, page number 36. So, let us start our exercise 1. Get set. Look at these pictures. Here we have a boy. First, a boy is playing. Here we have a girl coming with a book. And here we have a girl. The same girl is falling down. So here we have 1, 2 and 3 pictures. So here we see the boy is playing and the ball falls on the girl and the girl falls down with her books. So here we have to see what you will do when you are playing, what you will do to that girl, whether you will help or not. Here we have 2 pictures. So here we see the boy helping the girl to get up. And here we have the boy is laughing at the girl who is fallen down. So which one would you tick mark correct? So the lesson speaks about helping and sharing. So here we see the boy helps the girl to get up. He gives his hand to the girl to get up. So here you have to tick mark right. This is the right way to help others. Now this picture we see a boy. This boy is laughing at the girl. He is not even saying sorry to the girl. He is laughing at her and not even helping the girl to get up. So this is wrong. So we should help others. And if we have done something wrong to others, we have to say sorry to that person and not to laugh at the person. So here we see the boy laughs at the girl. We should never laugh at anybody who is fallen down, but we need to help the person in need. So let us get set to read our lesson. So open your page to 37. So the name of the lesson is Helping and Sharing. So let us start our reading, because reading helps us to improve our reading skill. So you also have to read aloud with me this lesson. So let us get set to read this lesson. Apu loves carrot alwa. He gets some carrot seeds. Apu: if I grow carrots, I know Grandma will make carrots halwa for me. I think I will plant these seeds. Apu plants the seeds. He waters them every day. Most of the seeds grow into a baby carrots. Do you know what happened to the one of the seeds? It grows and grows and grows. It grows into a huge carrot. Apu tries to pull the carrot out. Apu pulls and pulls. He cannot pull it out. He calls Tina. Apu, please help me to pull this carrot out. Then Grandma can make halwa for us. Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Then Tina calls Meena. Tina, Meenie, do help us to pull this carrot out. Apu's grandma will make halwa for us. Now, Meenie pulls Tina and Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Then Meenie calls Raja. Raja pulls Meenie and Meenie pulls Tina. And Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Whom do they call now? They call Pom Pom, their pet monkey. Pom Pom pulls Raja and Raja pulls Meenie and Meenie pulls Tina and Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. They pull and out comes the carrot. Together they carry the carrot home and give it to Grandma. She makes carrot halwa. All of them share it. Yummy! The halwa is tasty. So students, now I am going to explain to you this lesson. Here we have Apu, who loves carrot halwa very much. So once upon a time, there was a boy named Apu. Apu loves carrot halwa. He goes to the market to buy some carrot seeds to grow. Apu says in his mind, if I grow carrots, his grandma will make carrot halwa for him. So he decided to go to the market and bring some carrot seeds. Apu, with joy and hard work, plants the carrot seeds. He waters the seeds every day, and most of the seeds grow into a baby carrots. But for his surprise, one of the carrot grows very huge. The huge carrot grew bigger and bigger each day. So he tries to pull the carrot out. He tries to pull and pull, but he was not able to pull the carrot from the mud. So he calls Tina and he tells Tina, please, can you help me to pull this huge carrot? If we remove this huge carrot, his grandma will prepare a carrot halwa for them to eat. So Tina agreed to help Apu. So Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they were not able to pull the carrot out from the mud. So Tina sees Meenie outside the gate, and Tina calls Meenie to help in pulling the huge carrot out. Tina tells Meenie, if we remove this huge carrot, Apu's grandma will prepare halwa for us. So Meenie agreed to help them to pull the carrot out. Now Meenie pulls Tina. Tina pulls Apu. They pull and pull. They pull and pull, but they were not able to pull the carrot out. Here we have Apu. Here we have Tina. And here we have Meenie. They are pulling the carrot, but it is so huge, but they are not able to remove the carrot from the mud. So now Meenie calls Raja to pull the carrot. So now Raja pulls Meenie. Mini pulls Tina and Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. They pull and pull, but they cannot pull the carrot out. Here we have Apu. Here we have Tina, Mini and Raja. So Raja pulls Mini. Mini pulls Tina and Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. But they are not able to take out the carrot from the mud because the carrot was so huge than the other carrot. At last, they called their pet monkey named Pom Pom to help them to pull the huge carrot out. So here we have their pet monkey Pom Pom. Pom Pom pulls Raja. Raja pulls Mini. Mini pulls Tina. Tina pulls Apu and Apu pulls the carrot. And with this great force, the huge carrot comes out. They pull and pull out comes the carrot. So they all together carry the carrot home and give it to their grandmother. Children were so happy. So Apu's grandma prepared carrot halwa for them. They all had the carrot halwa together by sharing with one another. And the children says the halwa is very delicious and yummy. So this lesson teaches us that we need to help others in need. Many hands makes the work lighter or easy. When we work together, we can enjoy many things and also we can get success to our work. So children, we need to help others in need so that we can bring happiness into the lives of others and enjoy many things in life. Here we see how they pull the carrot and how their grandma prepares carrot halwa for them and how they all together share and eat the carrot halwa. And they all say it is so delicious and yummy. The halwa is tasty. So children, we need to be helpful person. We need to help one another. Many hands makes the work lighter and we can get success. So we need to help one another. So this lesson tells us we need to help others. Also we need to share our things with others. How Apu shared the carrot halwa with all his friends and they enjoyed the halwa. So we need to help one another and share things with others. Then only we can enjoy our life like this, children. So children, as I have read to you this lesson and as I have explained to you this lesson, how we need to help one another, how we need to share things with one another, as Apu shared with his friend the carrot halwa, and how Tina, Mini, Raja and their pet monkey helped to pull out the huge carrot. And because of their help, they were able to eat carrot halwa. So children, you have to read this lesson 2 times aloud. So reading helps us to improve our skill. So you have to read this lesson aloud. So study well, be safe, bye.